Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add someone to a SplitWise group. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your SplitWise app. Now once you're inside your SplitWise, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you have logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply either you see the option this add friends on SplitWise, then simply tap on that, or simply head over to the groups and then you'll find the option add friends on SplitWise and then tap on it. And once you tap on it here, if the person that you are looking for is already in your contacts, then all you gotta do is select the contact and then tap on next. But if you don't have contact details of the person that you are selecting, then what you can do is just simply tap on this add a new contact to SplitWise, and once you tap on that, you'll be redirected to the add new contact page or screen. Now all you got to do is type in the name of the person that you want to add. Once you are done with that, either you can simply enter the phone number of the person or email address depending on what you want to type it or enter. Once you are done with that, all you gotta do is tap on this add button on the top right corner of the screen. Now once that's done, created contact will be displayed right here. Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on next, and once you tap on next here, you will be sent to the verify contact info. Now if you want to edit some info, you can simply tap on edit and add the information, or if you don't want it, then simply tap on finish. And that's basically how to add someone to SplitWise group. Now once the friend request is sent and accepted from the person that you have sent it, you will be friends and the selected person will be added to the SplitWise group. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.